In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go ahead and go to your watch list here on the left-hand side, and then you want to find something you want to place an order with. So, for example, here I went into crypto, and I'm going to place an order for some Bitcoin. So what you can do is either click on it, and it's going to pop up on your chart over here, or you could right-click it and click on Order Ticket. When you do that, this order window is going to pop up over here, and then from here, you can select if you want to either sell or buy, so that's completely up to you. I'm gonna do buy right now, and then you want to select how many units. So I'm gonna go 0.01 over here, and when you click out of this box, it's gonna tell you the amount in your currency, how much that is, and then you can select if you want a market order, a limit order, or a stop entry order. So it's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and click on market order right now. Then you can add your stop losses. You can also add your take profits if you want to, and then here you'll be able to see your estimated margin and your potential costs. And then here you can go ahead and click on place a market buy order or a sell order with costs. Click on that, and then just like that, as you can see, you will be able to have this confirmation here on your screen, and you can just click on this X button, and then your order has gone through. You've successfully placed an order here on CMC Markets. In case you're trading on the chart, you could also do that too. So right here, top right, you can see you have these two buttons. You could click on any of these buttons, and the same box will open up, and you can go ahead and place your trade. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.